So guys, you can see this is the research. Actually, this is the model. The name of the model is Florence 2, and it is having actually different variant model. I'll also tell you, okay, how many variant actually you are having. And the research is from Microsoft. And you can see Florence 2 is nothing but Florence 2 is an advanced vision foundation model that uses a prompt-based approach to handle a wide range of vision and vision language tasks. Florence 2 can interpret simple text prompt to perform tasks like captioning, object detection, and segmentation. Okay, so this model actually they had trained on this data called FLD 5B dataset. So it is having actually a 5.4 billion annotation. Okay, across 127 million images, and with the help of that actually they trained one multitasking model. Okay, this is the idea. So the model uses actually sequence to sequence architecture, enables it to excel in both zero shot and fine tuning settings, providing to be a competitive vision foundation model. Okay, so they're using something called sequence to sequence architecture in this particular model. And what is sequence to sequence architecture? I think you know the encoder and decoder. Okay, we call it as a sequence to sequence architecture. So if you're more interested learning about this model, what you can do, you can follow the official research paper of this Florence 2. So this is the research paper, guys. So advancing a unified representation for a variety of vision tasks. And this research is from Microsoft. So in this paper, you will see the architecture of this model, like what kinds of architecture using and what kinds of functionality they are using inside this architecture. So everything is mentioned here. So if you're interested learning, so you can read this research paper. So it will give you the clear-cut idea about this particular model. Okay, so I'll give all the link in the description. You can check it out. From there, actually, you will get all the link. Even I will also add this Hugging Face link so that you can also open it. And if you want to use this model, I will also show you how you can download this model in your Google Colab and how we can do the inference, okay, on top of this model. Just give me some time. I will also show you this part as well. Now, if you want to test this model, how it is working and all, but before that, let me show you the model variant. You can see. So guys, you can see it is having, these are the variant like Florence to base, then Florence to large, then base FT and large FT. And you can see the like parameter size 23 billion, 77 billion. Again, base FT is having 23 billion and 77 billion. Okay, so these are the variant is available. Now, if you want to test this model, if you want to see the inference like on top of the user interface, so what you can do, you can use this Hugging Face actually space. So this is the link of the Hugging Face space. So here you can test this model. So here you can upload any kinds of image. Let's say I have uploaded this image. Now let's say I want to perform something called object detection. So here you can select different tasks. See, now see, here I already told you, it supports actually multiple tasks. That means you can perform multitask here. So it can perform captioning, detailed captioning, more detailed captioning, object detection, dense region caption, regional proposal, okay, OCR, lots of tasks are available. Okay, so in one model you can do, these are the tasks. Okay, these are the tasks which is not possible with any other computer vision model. So for individual task, you have to train individual model. Okay, so this is one amazing research Microsoft has brought to us. Even I'm also excited with this model because this kinds of model is really helpful for us as a developer. Because see, nowadays they are also integrating generative AI to train these kinds of model, because they're using prompt-based approach. I think you saw that, right? So many people ask me the questions like where we can apply the generative AI. Now see, there you can apply the generative AI. So generative AI can be applied anywhere. Nowadays, actually, it's not about textual data. So you can use generative AI in anywhere. You can use for the, let's say, computer vision. You can use for reinforcement learning. Okay, anywhere you can use this generative AI nowadays. Okay, everything is possible. So let's say I want to perform object detection. I'll select the object detection. Okay, if you just click if you just click on submit, so it will show the results. So guys, if you upload the image and click on the submit, you will see this kinds of output. Now you can see the amazing detection it has detected. It has detected the door, the entire car, even the wheel as well. And not only the detection, you will also get the output text. See, the bounding boxes you will be able to see. Even the labels also you will be able to see. So this is one amazing model they have developed. Okay, so everything you will be getting as an output. Now here, let's say if I want to test with OCR, so here is one example. I can open it up. Let's say if I click here, see, it can also perform the OCR, that means optical character recognition. Beautifully, it has detected this particular text. Okay, now you can see. Now see, it has also extracted those text. Now you can see the coordinate of the text. Okay, everything is visible and all the text is also visible. Okay, so that's how actually you can perform different tasks. So here you can try with different tasks. As of now, I'm not going to show you. Now here you can also select the model, different variant of the model. So as of now I'm using large model. You can also use large FT model. Okay, that's how you can use it. All right, so this is the demo of this Florence 2. Now let's open up our Google Colab and let's try to see how we can download this model, okay, in our Google Colab, and with the help of this model actually how we can perform the inference. Okay, this is the idea. So for this, what you can do, you can simply use one amazing notebook from RoboFlow. So search for actually RoboFlow notebook. Okay, so here you will get one GitHub repository. Just try to open it up. So if you just go below, so they have already created one amazing notebook. So here is the notebook, guys. Fine tune Florence 2 on the object detection custom dataset. So let me open this notebook. So here is the notebook, guys. So I'll just go below, and first of all I have to make the setup. So first of all, let's connect our runtime to the GPU. So here I already connected. Let's say I want to use T4 GPU. I'll select it because I'm using free Google Colab. That's why. Now let me connect the notebook. Now see, it's connected. Now let me check my GPU. So for this, you can execute this command NVIDIA-SMI. So it will give you the GPU configuration you got. Now the first thing what we'll do is just try to download one example data from the RoboFlow, and this is the data, guys, and it is available in the RoboFlow server. You can see this is one dog example data. Okay, so we'll try to download this data. So for this, I will execute this command. Now you have to install some package. The first package actually you need called transformers. Why transformers? Because here I'm using Hugging Face, and if you want to use Hugging Face model, you have to install this library called transformer. Okay, with that you need some dependency library. These are the library. Now apart from that, I also need something called supervision, and supervision is the product of RoboFlow. So they have developed this supervision, one amazing library. With the help of that, you can visualize your let's say prediction. Okay, you can get the detection, you can visualize it, okay, without writing like too much code. So let's install all of them. Power of Florence 2. Okay, so that's why it's super important to do the research always over the internet. Okay, whatever research are coming in the market right now. So for this, you can refer one amazing website called RoboFlow. Okay, RoboFlow. Either you can also refer one amazing website called Paperspace. Okay, Paper with Code. So here also you will see different research are coming in the market. Even they have also given the paper link, even the code implementation, everything is available here. Okay, you can also refer this particular website. Even there is another website called RoboFlow. Okay, RoboFlow. So RoboFlow also has different blog. So they have also written the blog related new research inside computer vision and all. Okay, you can also visit this particular website. Fine. So let me get back to my notebook, and now since installation is completed, now let me import some libraries. And all the libraries you don't need because they are also doing something called fine tuning. Okay, on the custom data. If you want to do the fine tuning, that time you need this PFT and all. But I'm not going to fine tune. I'm only going to do the inference. That's it. Now see, guys, first of all, you have to define the checkpoint of the model. So here is the model, guys. I already showed you. This is the model, and you just need to copy the name and you just need to give it here. Okay, and if you execute the code, automatically your model will be downloaded from the Hugging Face, and it will load the model. Even it will also load the tokenizer. Okay, this is the idea. Now let me show you. See, it is downloading the model from the internet. Now it is downloading the tokenizer as well. Now see, done. Now we can do the inference with the pre-trained model. The Florence model actually we have downloaded. How this model will work? So here you have to give a prompt. Prompt means the first prompt you have to give the task. The second prompt you have to give the text. So here the task I want to perform called object detection. OD means you want to perform object detection, and text, that means the output text you want to get. Okay, you want to get a object detection output. That means I showed you now here. So let me show you. So here the output text actually we are getting. This is a this is the actually OCR. So if I want to see the object detection, so this is the object detection. Okay, so this is the object detection output we are getting. So that's how we can give the prompt, and automatically your model will try to understand. Okay, you want to perform object detection, and the text you want to also get, which is in a object detection form. Okay, this is the idea. So first of all, what will happen with the help of this tokenizer, will be like processing the image. Then we'll pass this image to the model, and model will give me the prediction. Okay, this particular prediction we are visualizing with the help of supervision. Okay, supervision library SB we have already imported, and this will render that particular detection. Now let me show you. If I execute this code, okay, example path is not defined because here I didn't executed this particular line, I think. So this line I didn't execute it. Let me execute. because this is my path of the dog.jpg. I think you remember. So this is my dog. Now if I come here, now if I execute, it should work. See, beautifully you are getting the detection. So dog, person, and backpack. And you can also perform something called image captioning. So this is the image captioning actually prompt. So detailed captions, you have to give detailed caption. Even output also you want to get a detailed caption. Now again, you are doing the same thing. Now let me execute and let me show you the captioning as well. See, this is the captioning you are getting. So in this image, we can see a person wearing a bag and holding a dog. In the background, there are building, poles and sky with the clouds. Okay, now let me open the image and let me see. I think here I can open see. Okay, that means it is matching. So beautifully it is doing the captioning as well. Now if you want to perform segmentation, if you want to perform OCR, you can also do it. All you just need to give the prompt here. Okay, so this thing I will leave it to you. Just try to export this particular amazing model. Okay, and all the notebook, all the, let's say, material link I'll share in the description section so that you can check it out. And if you want to also learn how to do the fine tuning and all, so you can visit the RoboFlow tutorial. So they have already given like how to fine tune that model and all. So everything they have mentioned here. All right. So yes, so this is all about. I just wanted to let you know these kinds of resources coming in the market right now, so that you can also keep yourself updated with. Okay, because many of you asked me this particular question, sir, how you keep updated yourself, okay, always with the new technology. So that's how I keep updated myself with the new technology. I just try to do the research, okay, in the internet, and if I get anything, let's say, useful, I try to use it in my implementation. Okay, this is the idea. So yes, this is all from this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.